Got a whole lot of problems, but they're always by you. I'm trying my best, but I don't know how to solve them. I don't know what to do. I need some time on my own to figure out what.
Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, as you can see from the title, I am doing a massive spring clean. I mean, I say massive, this is going to be a two-part series. So today I'm going to be doing all downstairs, and then tomorrow I'm going to be filming and doing all of upstairs. My house just needs a massive clean up, and I just thought, why not motivate you guys to do your own cleaning, to get up off those sofas and just look around your house and do those little bits that you've been waiting to do. Honestly, I've literally been concentrating on my garden for the last couple of weeks, and my house is literally been abandoned, so it's needing a clean. So I'm going to get straight into this video today. Let me know by liking my video that you like this sort of type of video. Also, if you're not subscribed, come join my little family here, and let's get into this motivational cleanup.
I need some time on my own to figure out what I want. 'Cause baby, right now I don't know. Feels like I'm riding solo. You got me thinking about all of the problems tonight. No, it's sad, but we both know. Maybe it's time that I let you.
So if you guys have been on my channel for a little while, you'll know on my cooker right now I'm using the pink stuff. Oh my god, this stuff is amazing. I honestly recommend it. If you have got any nitty gritty bits on your cooker, this stuff is amazing. Put it on for a little while, then I just leave it for about five or 6 minutes, and then I'll go back to it. And then if you can see, look, it just comes up so clean. And I just love how my cooker looks after I've used this. It's so good. Honestly, I can't recommend it enough. So this little cloth that I've just showed you, I picked up from B&M. I did a haul recently where I picked up loads of little products from B&M. I'm going to be using a lot of those today, but this little cloth is amazing. I mean, I also picked up Windoline as well, and I think these two together, combined together, just do a really good job. But this little cloth has got a sponge on one side, and on the other side it's got like a little chamois leather. And honestly, with glass and windows and things like that, this is such a great combination, and it's so inexpensive. I think the Windoline was like £1 and the cloth itself was £2, but you get 2 in a pack. Honestly, they are so good.
I really wanted to get it right, trying to find some balance in my life, but I never really put up a fight, didn't follow my dreams, and now I'm losing sleep. What if I lost touch? What if I'll never get it right? I try to follow my heart, but I lost it somehow. Wish that someone could say it'll all be okay. Just listen to me as I say.
So I'm going to start off in the front room now. Honestly, my front room wasn't that bad. I had my grandchildren round at the weekend, but obviously we can only have them in the garden at the minute. So normally my house would look trashed with toys everywhere, but they've been in the garden, like I said. So the house inside wasn't too bad, but it did need a good polish. This polish that I'm using is 46p from Aldi's, and it's so good. I love the smell of it. And I just think for 46p, you just cannot go wrong with that. Then I'm going to be using the Windoline on my windows. Just look how nice it comes up. It's so nice, this stuff. And it smells really nice as well. And I just think for £1, it's going to go such a long way.
Slow it down, dreams still yours if you want it. Enjoy the ride, 'cause those ups and those downs is what makes it worth the while. You will make
So I just want to talk about my sofas. You may have noticed that I've changed up my sofas recently, but I've actually got these on a budget. I bought some sofa covers and just covered the sofas that I already had. And honestly, people that come into the house think I've bought a new sofa. It was so inexpensive. I got it off eBay. I'll try and leave a link down below. Not sure if they still got these though, because I did try and get some for my daughter, but they sold out. But I'll try and leave a link down below if you're interested. But honestly, if you can't afford to get a new sofa right now, or any chair covers or things like that, this is such a good idea. It's made such a difference to the way my front room looks, and I'm so happy with it.
What makes it worth the while? You will make it in time. You'll make it in time. 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 Time. What makes it worth the while? You will make it in time. You will find a way. Slow it down. Dreams still yours if you want it. Enjoy the ride. 'Cause those ups and those downs is what makes it worth the while. You will make it in time. You'll make it in time. Time. You'll make it in time. Time. What makes it worth the while? You will make it in time.
So that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and thank you for your continued support. I really appreciate it. If you are new here and you would like to subscribe to my channel, just hit that little red button down below, and I'll see you all soon for part 2 of this video, which is cleaning my upstairs. I've also got a lot of wardrobe declutter to do as well. I'm going to add that to the video as well. So I'll see you all in my next video. Bye for now, guys.